In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username in your Google Workspace account. Now, keep in mind, if you're just a regular team member, you might not be able to change your name yourself. For example, if I try to change the name on this account, it says the settings can't be modified and that I'll need to contact the admin. So if you don't have admin access, you won't be able to change your username. But if you do have admin access, here's exactly how you can do it. First, go to admin.google.com and log in to your Workspace admin account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the admin dashboard. From here, click on Users to see a list of all active users in your Workspace. Find the account you want to update. Next, click Update User. Now you'll be able to change the name and even the primary email address if needed. Just make your changes and hit Update. That's it. The changes usually take effect within 10 minutes. So just to recap, only admins can make these changes. If you're not an admin, simply reach out to your team leader, manager, or whoever manages your Google Workspace, and they can do it for you.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.